Yeah, let me tell you, drums, whew, I was working my ass print into that couch there.
Yeah.
I was working my dick print into that armadillo's asshole.
You mean my music stand?
No, the armadillo.
The whammy bar went in my penis.
You're disgusting.
Ew.
You're the one funny talking about armadillos and no, I'm disgusting.
Now, the return.
Oh, the return of the favorite character.
The court is now in session for the trial of Miss 5A. The prosecution is ready, Your Honor.
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
You're ready for a penis up your ass, I hope. I like saying
Miles Edgeworth.
I like to say penis a lot.
Dirty son of a bitch. I'd better not show any signs of weakness today, or he'll be on me in an instant.
Oh yes.
Meaning, don't bend over to drop my pen. If I drop my pen, it's gone.
Mr. Edgeworth, please give the court your opening statement.
I don't need my pen. I don't need my pen. I don't need my pen.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant, Miss Maya Fay, was at the scene of the crime. The prosecution has evidence she committed the murder, and we have a witness who saw her do it. The prosecution sees no reason to doubt the facts of this case, Your Honor. See. Thank you, Mr. Edgeworth. Let's begin then. You may go. Edgeworth says that? Isn't that what the judge is supposed to say? Thanks, Capcom.
Glitch.
You may call your first witness. The prosecution calls the chief officer.
He just gives himself permission to call this person. You may call
That's
your
why
first
he's
witness.
so good.
Thank you, Your Honor. The prosecution calls.
The
He can do this whole case by himself. He doesn't need everyone else. He just needs
just
Miles Edgeworth and Maya
ventriloquist.
Fay, and that's the only people that need to be in the courtroom. Miles Edgeworth is judge, jury, stenographer, juror number 4, gay juror number 2, and the janitor all at once.
There's a lot
and
of
the bailiff, and the courtroom scene painter.
Actually, the bailiff has been outsourced to India. They're taking our jobs.
Well, he's the bailiff. Witness, please state your name and profession to the court.
Sir, my name's Dick Gumshoe, sir.
Yes, you're the one I shoved a golf club up your ass
Yeah,
before.
well, my name's Dick, so you know what? I'm the detective in charge of homicide down at the precinct, sir.
In charge of homophobes? What?
Yeah, sir.
Bet he can't even spell precinct.
Detective.
R.
Detective Gumshoe.
Number 2. The Chinese letter A.
Please describe for us the details of the murder.
Very well, sir. Let me use this floor map of this office to explain, since I can't obviously explain by myself. So you see, I drew this. The body was found by the window here.
Well, that's a lovely kindergarten drawing you have.
Yeah, well, and the body looks like a fucking bottle.
Wow, look at the detail on that plan. Yeah, that's amazing.
Well,
And the cause of death?
Shut the fuck up.
loss of blood due to being struck by a blunt object like that penis I drew, sir.
Why does that sound familiar?
I don't know, sir. Murder case was a statue of a thinker found next to the body, sir.
Objection! I know what that bloody penis from before!
You can see it looks like a microphone. I'm terrible at drawing. It was heavy enough to be a deadly weapon, even in a girl's hands, sir.
Oh, that was sexist. I think he's wrong.
A girl couldn't pick that fucking thing up. The court accepts this statute of evidence.
Just still calling it a statue?
Now, detective.
Yes, sir. I'm horny now.
Unnecessary information.
Apparently, Edgeworth's evil gaze gets Gumshoe turned on. He's a masochist of the mind. You immediately arrested Miss Maya Fay, who was found at the scene of the crime, correct? Can you tell me why?
Take that coat right off of you. Yes, sir. I had hard evidence she did it, sir. My name's Dick. I had very hard evidence.
Detective Gumshoe! Please testify to the court about this.
Testify, sister girl, testify.
To the court about this hard evidence.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you testify, man. You tell them what was.
Yeah. No,
It's my face arrest.
as soon as the phone call came in, I rushed to the scene. Of course, there were already 2 people there already. I said already twice. And the defendant, Miss Maya Fey, and the lawyer, Mr. Penis Wright. Immediately arrested Miss Maya Fey, because why would I arrest Mr. Penis Wright? Why? We had a witness account describing her. Witness says Miss Maya Fey, at the very moment, witness saw her at the very moment of the murder. So, makes sense.
Somebody can be notorious right now.
The very moment, you say? Very well, Mr. Wright, you may begin your
I saw a lot of boobies. I saw a lot of
exam.
boobies. I saw some
Yeah,
pink
yes,
boobies.
Your Honor.
I saw some dead boobies.
Cross-examine what?
I saw some
I
sister
couldn't see a
boobies.
single
You can shut up already.
I saw boobies.
All I see is a contradiction about the evidence of there being...
Rash!
Boobies.
Smack!
Hey, Maya just threw something at me. That
Right.
fucking bitch.
There will be no paper airplanes in this court. What do you think this is, 1st grade? It's 3rd.
Yes!
It's probably the thinker and now Phoenix.
It's
Wright's
3rd. Now get on with it.
What's this? When my sister couldn't find any contradictions in
What?
the witness's
That's fucking
testimony,
illegal.
she would bluff it and press the witness on every detail. The witness always slips up and says something wrong. It worked lots of times. This bitch has never been off a mountain, but she knows how a court case works? Heh. I should have expected Maya would know some of her sister's tricks.
Yeah, true.
Like that thing with her
Even
leg
though
and the
she
ping pong
doesn't-
balls. Oh, that was great.
Oh, pew! Pew, pew!
Pew pew indeed.
Mr. Sod, get out of the courtroom. You've already been arrested.
Damn it! And I would have gotten
What
away
did you
with it
see?
if it wasn't for you meddling kid.
No, Your Honor. I'd like to begin my cross-examination with my dick.
It has an eye, you know. Hold it!
Hold on just 1 second, motherfucker.
Yeah. Yeah.
If I heard correctly, which I never do, you said you arrested her because you had hard evidence? She didn't.
You got my
Correct?
joke, didn't you? Yeah. Huh?
But I happen to know that you, Dick
Did-
Gumshoe,
Did
suffer from erectile
did I say
dysfunction.
that? Me?
I heard you say it.
You did say it. You said it.
Slam. Exactly. What about this suspicious woman in pink's claim of hard evidence?
What? Miss May isn't suspicious and she sure isn't pink, pal. Only her vagina is.
Colorblind. Donkey! Get it right!
Well, I guess she is pink.
That's enough, Detective Gumshoe. Do you have any more solid proof other than her claims, Detective?
Another from the toilet. I guess pressing can have its advantages.
You wouldn't know.
Maybe if I press him on his...
Yes.
Gah!
Sorry, I got the order of things messed up in my testimony, Your Honor, sir.
Your Honor, sir, Your Honor, ma'am, madam, Your Royal Highness.
There was something I should have told about first, Your Honor.
Very well, Detective. Let's hear your testimony again.
Well, you see, here's...
Witness testimony. Hard evidence.
Hard.
Provocative title. I like it.
I examined the scene with my own eyes. Found a memo written on a piece of paper next to the victim's body. On it, the word Maya is clearly written in blood.
I don't know about
Blood.
clearly. Clearly written
Blood
in
test
blood.
results show that the blood was the victim's.
It kind of shows like a kindergarten.
Boobies.
Also, there was blood found on the victim's finger.
Dead.
Before she died, the victim first, she masturbated, so that's why she got the blood on her finger. And then wrote the killer's name. Rabble, 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 rabble. How do you like that? That's my hard evidence. How you like them apples?
You broke it on the last woman you tried to fuck, and she didn't even consent, you idiot. Before we begin
If I
cross-examination,
say surprise,
I have a question for you,
not right.
I have a question for you,
I'm
Detective.
gonna come to you anyway. Your Honor?
Why didn't you testify about this vital piece of evidence the first time?
I know, I'm real embarrassed. I forgot about that, Your Honor, sir.
Try to be more careful. Very well. The defense may begin its cross-examination.
I think this guy's a dumb fuck.
Yeah, he seems just kind of stubborn.
I'm gonna kill your whole family.
Is this what the rest of this fucking trial's gonna be like?
I'm Detective Gumshoe, motherfucker. I can kill you and get away with it.
I could pop a cap in your ass if I knew what your ass was.
Before she died, the victim would declare his name. Surprise screen! No, not this time. Okay. Death was instantaneous.
Weird.
That means
Okay.
bullshit!
Detective Gumshoe, there's one thing I want you to clarify for me.
Only one thing.
Are you gay or are you straight? Tell me now, because I need to know.
I mean-
Stop leading me on.
I mean, I swing both
That
ways.
she was accusing the defendant, Miss Maya
I'm a
Fey.
switch hitter.
That's really what you're saying?
I mean, sometimes I throw from my left. What? This is one of those lawyer tricks now, is it? Of course she wrote it. Who else could have?
Shakes head. You have it backwards, detective.
Smug.
I'm fucking you.
Backwards?
The victim is the only person who absolutely could not have written it. This is a report from your department, detective. If that is your real title. Immediate death due to a blow from a blunt object. It was like my dick.
With a
Slam.
black man.
She died immediately.
What?
No butting your way out of this one, detective.
Wow, you are gay, aren't you? Rabble.
I'm as gay as a schoolgirl.
Order! Order! The defense has a point!
I've got more than a point, Your Honor.
Someone
show
who
you a
died
point.
immediately could not have the time to write anything. Objection! Mr. Wright, I beg your pardon, but when exactly did you obtain that autopsy report?
Right before my erection. Took a little bit, huh?
I forget. I don't know, should I?
No.
Okay, the day after the prosecution's point being? That autopsy report is outdated, Your Honor.
What?
A second autopsy report was performed yesterday, at my request. Death was almost immediate due to a blow from a blunt object. But there is a possibility the victim lived for several minutes after the blow. I received these results this morning.
No way!
Your Honor, it's quite easy to imagine that the victim did have time to write Maya. Wags arm up and down.
Mouth.
That is all. I see.
Man, I didn't like his gay stage bow.
Well,
Damn you, Edgeworth. I should have known you'd have something up your sleeve, sweat.
Why, Mr. Wright, you look shocked. Something you want to say? No, the detective's a sham is better. Slam.
Detective Gumshoe, you're a sham! How could you give me a faulty report, you bastard?
Huh? I thought.
Detective Gumshoe, I'm disappointed in you handing him the wrong report like that.
I'm sorry, sir.
Better be damn sorry, I'm about to shove my golf club up your ass this time. And this time it's not the 9-iron, it's the driver.
I like
You are at fault, detective. This isn't going to look good on your evaluation next month.
What? But,
That means your pay goes down, bitch. You're going to have to pick up a job at Chippendales later on. Your Honor, I submit this report to the court. Understood. The court accepts the evidence. Well, Your Honor, the evidence strongly suggests the victim was identifying the killer. I suppose that's the obvious conclusion.
I'll give him a strong conclusion, put my gun to his face.
why is there a written
Darn,
report?
this isn't good.
I hate goddamn gays.
The prosecution would like to call its next witness.
Motherfucker.
This poor, innocent waggle saw the murder.